What is going on, everybody? Back with a new video, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the just released, or I should say I just got my hands on, the extremely hard to get Meta Ray-Ban display smart glasses. So stick around. Welcome back, and I'm extremely excited to be bringing you coverage of these hard to get Meta Ray-Ban display smart glasses. Now, these are the future of smart glasses in my opinion, and this is the way Meta sees the future as well. Now keep in mind, this is just an unboxing video and a first impressions video. I will be doing an extensive, thorough, 20 to 30, maybe even 45 minute long full review on these Meta Ray-Ban display smart glasses, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell notification to be notified of that future content. Alright, so just a quick heads up and a backstory on picking these up. I did have to get these through Best Buy, and it was extremely difficult to do. I had to actually go into the physical store and place an order and place a demo. However, I was able to skip the demo, and I'll talk more about that in the full review. Now, the Meta Ray-Ban displays are available in two colors. They're available in sand as well as black, and they both come with clear to gray transition lenses. Now, a lot of people are complaining about the demo. However, I think it is necessary since you need to get the proper fit for both the frames as well as the neural wristband. Now, the frames come in two different sizes, standard and large, and the neural wristband comes in three different sizes, neural band 1, 2, and 3, which is technically small, medium, and large. Now, taking a closer look at the packaging, as you can see, it does say Ray-Ban Meta here. We also have the exact specifications of our glasses, which is the standard edition and band size 2. When you first open up the packaging, you're greeted with the neural wristband. Go ahead and place that off to the side. We also get the box with the glasses, and there's nothing else inside of the box. Taking a closer look at the neural wristband on the packaging, you can see it does say neural wristband as well as band size 2. There's also a little bit of Meta branding. On the back of the box, it does say Meta Neural Band. Sliding open the box, we're presented with a smaller box along the interior. That box houses the neural band as well as a little bit of paperwork. My first impressions of the neural wristband is that it appears to be very well made. Now we have another piece of packaging along the interior portion of the wristband with a charging cable for the neural wristband, and as you can see, on one end we have a USB Type-C charging port, on the other end is a proprietary charger. Now you're going to need this to charge the neural wristband, so make sure you don't lose it. Also included in the box is a couple pamphlets, and these small little pamphlets are some getting started guides. The first one is going to help you get up and running and let you know how to connect the charger to the back of the neural wristband and get it all charged up and ready to go. We also get an included diagram of how to put on the neural wristband. And just a quick heads up, I normally don't read any instructions that come inside of a product. However, this is a brand new product, so I do recommend reading the instructions to make sure you know how to use all the features and functions of the Meta Ray-Ban displays. Now, I can't stress enough how important it is to make sure you get the right size neural wristband for your size wrist. Now, something else to keep in mind is that when you put on this neural wristband, that you need to make sure that this white line is facing you. Taking a closer look at the neural wristband, you can see just how many sensors there are inside of this band. Yet surprisingly enough, it still has an IPX7 water resistance rating. You can expect up to 18 hours of usage on a single battery charge, and after trying it on, I have to say it's really comfortable, and it definitely seems like something I can wear all day without feeling the need to take it off. It only weighs 42 grams. And not only is it comfortable, but I have to say it features a really nice magnetic clasp. Now, without further delay, let's go ahead and get to the star of the show, the Meta Ray-Ban display. So ripping open the packaging, I have to say that I'm really excited. And opening up the box, we have a collapsible box like we have in previous generations. I have to say I really like the box, and I am really impressed first off with the first look of the charging case. At the top of the interior portion of the box, we get a USB Type-C charging cable along with a Meta branded microfiber cleaning cloth. Meta has really designed an excellent looking charging case here. Now, this charging case only weighs 169 grams, which is very light. On one side of the case we have a USB Type-C charging port, and in the bottom right hand corner you can see we have a LED light indicator, and we have nothing along the other side of the case. Now, we do get a little bit of literature provided inside of the box that's going to help us get started with showing us how to use the charging case and how to charge the glasses. And on the other side is a diagram of all the particular functionality and buttons that are located on the Meta Ray-Ban display. Now, in terms of the charging case, my first impressions again is that it's really nice. I like it. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a closer look at it. Now, as you can see, we have a really nice soft leather type feeling. It does say Meta Ray-Ban display there at the top. Now let's go ahead and take the glasses out and place them to the side. Now I really like the way this new charging case looks. However, I'm a little skeptical about having to slide in the glasses with the lenses facing down. Now one of the main gripes that I had with the original Meta Ray-Ban displays as well as the Ray-Ban Stories was that the carrying case just looked absolutely humongous inside of your pocket. Now, this particular charging case for the Meta Ray-Ban displays, as you can see, folds up to an extremely small size. Now this is very convenient to be able to put inside a bag or your pocket. Now, as you can see, not only is it that small and extremely convenient, but it also gives you access to the USB Type-C charging port still. Let's go ahead and grab the Meta Ray-Ban displays for the very first time and remove the protective packaging that comes on both of the arms. My first impressions of the Meta Ray-Ban displays is that they feel really light, a lot lighter than I thought they were, and they definitely look a lot thinner than I thought they were too. I thought they looked a lot more chunkier, but in person they definitely feel a lot more thinner. I also thought the sides were going to be a lot more thicker. They are thick, don't get me wrong, but they're not as thick as I thought they would be. Now in terms of the front, they do still look really good, like regular Wayfarer glasses. Now sure, they're a little bit chunkier, but you can't really tell too much compared to the others. Now it does say Ray-Ban on the left side of the glasses. You can see the camera there on the left side, as well as the other camera hole on the right side, which isn't a camera, it's actually an LED indicator. Here's a quick look at the waveguide that's located in the right lens that's going to help power the display. I think Meta made an excellent choice by going with transition lenses, as it gives you the ability to wear them in both day and night environments. Now in terms of product dimensions, the hinge to hinge measurements, which are in millimeters, the standard are going to be 144 millimeters from hinge to hinge, and the large are going to be 150 millimeters from hinge to hinge. And in terms of the temple length, you're going to get 129 millimeters for the standard and 135 millimeters for the large. The standard size frames weigh 69 grams and the large size frames weigh 70. The Meta Ray-Ban displays feature a monocular display in the right lens with a 20-degree field of view and a 600 by 600 pixel resolution, which equals 42 pixels per degree. In regards to the display refresh rate, we get 90 Hz max and 32 Hz as a constant refresh rate. And the display brightness can go from 30 to 5,000 nits. The Meta Ray-Ban displays feature a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, allowing you to capture excellent video as well as excellent still images at 4032 by 3024 megapixels. You also get a 3x digital zoom. Meta Ray-Ban display also features 32 gigs of internal storage as well as 6 hours of mixed-use battery usage. Now I went ahead and attached that proprietary charger to the neural wristband. And as you can see here, it is charging up. And of course I'm charging the Meta Ray-Ban displays as well. Now again, a huge review coming for you guys, 30 to 45 minutes, maybe even an hour-long review, breaking down every single thing that has to do with the Meta Ray-Ban displays. Now I wanted to give you guys a quick look at how I look with the glasses on. Let me know what you guys think. Again, this is the standard size. If you found this video helpful and informative in any way, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to be notified of future content. Also drop a like down below and leave me a comment and let me know what you think about the Meta Ray-Ban displays. Are you going to be picking yourself up a pair? My name is Aaron. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one.